Hi, hello, hello! It's me, Jean Alonso here. Mega love shout out sa inyong lahat. Andito tayo ngayon para bumati ng isang kaibigan dito sa Whitey World. Hindi lang sa Whitey World, kundi sa lahat ng social media. Ang taong ito ay napakabait at napaka-supportive at wala na akong masabi sa kanya. And thank you at naalala mo akong invite para magbigay sa iyo ng birthday greetings. Hayan. Walang iba kundi ang ating masugid na kaibigan. Masugid, kasi di man tayo nagkita sisi nung last time na umuwi tayong sabay. I really much appreciated at naging kaibigan kita. Sana one day matuloy yung naudlot na pagkikita natin. Anyway, happy birthday Sis Florenda. Ayan, Sis Florenda, happy birthday sa iyo. Ang wish ko sa iyo, sana maging masaya, healthy lagi, maging successful sa iyong career dito sa Whitey World, and of course sa iyong sariling pamilya. May God bless you, and I'm very happy talaga na nakilala ka. You're very supportive friend, and pagpatuloy mo lang yan. Wala na akong ibang sasabihin kasi ikaw talaga napakasipag mo at ulirang asawa talaga. So that's all for now. I have to sign off, and happy birthday again. Mabuhay ka hanggat sa gusto mo, and I will see you around. It's me, Jean Alonso. Bye!
Hi guys, Jubilin Romeo here. I just want to greet a happy birthday to Sis Florenda. Wish her all the best in life, good health always, and more birthdays to celebrate. Nice to see you in person. Kahit sandali lang yung kita natin, but it's glad to see you in person, and thank you so much for everything you done to us in our team, and more power to your channel also. Sana lalago pa ito at maabot man anumang goals mo sa buhay, and God bless. Take care.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Happy birthday po sa iyo, Ma'am Florenda. I wish you best of everything po para sa birthday nyo. Salamat po sa YT at nakilala po kita. Alam niyo naman po, mahihayin ako sa camera. Pero happy birthday po ulit.
Hello, Sis Flor. O ito, nandito ako sa aking sasakyan para bumati sa iyo ng happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Pasensya ka na, medyo may sakit ako ngayon, kaya namamalat ako. So, ayan, wish ko sa iyo is more birthdays to celebrate, and you have a good life, good health, and more happiness together with your family. Always take care, Sisi. At sana marami ka pang ma-content. Ayan, may post, may download sa iyong YouTube channel. So, good luck sa iyong YouTube, and enjoy your day, Sisi. Pasensya ka na, medyo namamalat ang iyong Sisi ngayon. Kaya, again, happy birthday sa iyo. And God bless you always. So, bye-bye. Enjoy your day.
Hello everybody! I just want to greet my good friend Florenda Dileg. Happy birthday, be! Sana wag kang magbago. Enjoy lang ang buhay para wag tumanda. See you soon! Bye!
Hello, Sis Florenda. How are you? I just want to greet you with a birthday message from Psalm 20 verse 4. Blessed beyond measure on your birthday. May He give you the desire of your heart and make all your plans succeed on your birthday. May God bless you.
Hello everyone! Gusto ko lang batiin ng happy birthday sa aking kaibigan, Florenda Daileg. Happy birthday sis! Sana mag-ingat ka palagi para sa iyong pamilya at sa ating ekonomiya. Diba? OFW tayo, kaya I feel you sister. Sana one day makikita tayo. Bye!
Hello, happy birthday. Happy birthday, Sis Florinda. Thank you for being a true friend. Masaya po ako dahil nagkakilala ko kayo dahil sa YouTube at dito sa Facebook. Naway bigyan ka pa ni Lord ng mahabang buhay at more blessings to come. God bless you and more power.
Hi, Ma'am Flo! Happy birthday! Happy birthday! So, ngayon kasama ko na si Mrs. Flash para i-greet sa iyo.
Hello, Mum Florinda. This is a very, very happy birthday message from Mr. and Mrs. Splash here in the UK. All the very best for you today and have a fantastic day. Congratulations.
Happy birthday!
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Florinda. Happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday, Ma'am!
Cheers.
Bye-bye!
Bye-bye.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Hi, Ma'am Flor. Happy birthday. Wishing you good health and more success. Success in life. So, and stay pretty, Ma'am Flor. Be kind and hope na malayo pa yung mararating mo sa YouTube industry, and then at sana marami ka pa ding matutulungan kagaya ko. And as a small YouTuber, Ma'am Flor, marami akong natututunan sa'yo. Yung di dapat, yung nangyari sa akin is, ano yun siya, Ma'am Flor? Bali, lesson yun siya na nangyari sa akin na naging demo ko. Pero, pinanghahawakan ko yun, yung naging nangyari sa akin, kasi ina-encourage mo ako, Ma'am Flor, na may balik ko talaga yung pagkamoni ko. And thank you sa lahat ng tulong mo, and stay pretty. Wow, stay pretty, Ma'am Flor, and be kind and good health. Yun lang. And then, Ma'am Flor, kasi nakita ko sa'yo ba na ano ka, kahit ilang taon ka na ba, pero yung ano mo, yung aura mo parang ano pa rin, yung parang nasa 20s ka pa rin. Ano ba yung sikreto mo, Ma'am Flor? Pa-share naman dyan para maging kagaya kami niyan, maging bata tingnan. So, happy birthday, Ma'am Flor!
Happy birthday! Sabay ka na ayan. Sana hindi kita nagulat doon, Lalabs Flo. Dahil kaarawan mo sa araw na ito, binabati kita ng maligayang kaarawan. At wish ko sa iyo na parati kang healthy. At kung ano man yung gagawin mo sa araw-araw, saan ka man magpunta, parati kang safe at stay sweet. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. I love you. May the Lord God bless you. May the Lord God bless you. May the Lord God, may the Lord God, may the Lord God bless you. Happy birthday ulit.
This is Nori, the nature lover. I'm here to greet you a happy and blessed birthday, Florinda. Enjoy your birthday and may the Lord give you the desire of your heart. Stay healthy and be happy always. Put God be the center of your life. And keep on vlogging. Love, love, love. Enjoy your birthday, Kapsat. I am always here to support you, watching your videos. Thank you for supporting everyone. Bye for now. Happy birthday and enjoy. Bye. Papansit nga Ruden, Kapsat.
Hi, Ma'am Florinda. Happy and blessed birthday po. Wish ko na sana lagi kayong maging malusog at nawa ay ibigay lahat ng ating Panginoon ang inyong mga kahilingan sa buhay. And thank you kasi lagi kayo nakasuporta sa aking YouTube channel at saka sa lahat ng mga members natin. So, thank you so much po. Again, happy birthday.
Hi Sis Florinda, this is Irene Apalolete, ang iyong kaibigan sa White World kung saan dito tayo nagkakilala. Today is your birthday, so alam mo na, enjoy your day. And palagi kang mag-ingat dyan kung saan ka man kasi alam mo na tayong mga OFW, wala tayong karamay dito kundi ang sarili natin at pagkahalagahan mo at pagkahalagahan natin ang ating sarili at ang ating health as well. Pares lang yan. Again, happy birthday Sis Florinda. Sana enjoy mo ang araw na ito kung saan si-celebrate mo ang dagdag edad naman. Again, happy birthday. Enjoy your day Sis Florinda. From Irene Apalolete all the way from Kuwait. Bye-bye.
Ma'am Florenda, happy birthday. Praying for good health, more blessings, and more years para sa ating friendship. And salamat sa support, love, and everything.
Hello po, Ma'am Florenda. Happy birthday. Enjoy your special day with your friends and loved ones. Kahit nasa abroad tayo, stay happy and celebrate your special day. God bless and wish you all the best. Once again, happy birthday.
Hi Sis Florinda, happy birthday, more birthdays to come and more candles to blow. Love, love, love.
Happy birthday. Happy birthday po Admin Flor. Wish you all the best and enjoy your day. Greetings from GW Jingward TV. Happy birthday po ulit.
Hello guys, this is Johanna and for today's video ay mag-greet po ako sa isa sa mga ka-vlogger ko na si Sis Florenda Daileg. So happy birthday sis, wishing you all the best, good health always, and always remember that live life to the fullest. Ayan, always stay humble and kind. So ayan, so I love you, God bless.